All right, y'all. So, we about to go get something to eat, y'all. We've been in the house all day, so yeah. I don't even know what else to say. Okay, y'all. So right now, I'm going to town. Hold up.
That is just so.
She's so funny, man.
I know, right?
Oh,
She looks like me.
yeah, like cousins or something.
No.
Well, mom says to take pictures. Okay, y'all. So we just got some water, ice, and then about to go to the park. If I wrote that my business. Gots to.
When you're wet.
Right. Then you come.
They have shrimp, but I feel like I'm not sure if the shrimp is there. And this is.
Alright, y'all, I'm really tired. I've been at work all day and I'm tired. Okay, y'all, see, we're heading to the beach in the grill, and yeah, we out of here. And this is Hopewell. Oh. For real? And this one you did your shoot? Hey, 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 hey. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Like the cannons here.
For real?
Let's go like it.
No, no need to come over here so sometimes you want this one.
Oh, the better view on it.
Let's come over.
Oh my god.
Oh, they say a better.
A better view? Okay. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so pretty. Y'all, we are literally living a dream. Oh my gosh, this is a way better view. Oh. Oh my gosh. Yes, y'all, she is such a blessing to me. And I'm so thankful. Okay, if you want to. It's hot. We roasting. It's hot. It's hot.
All right, so I'm gonna.
So y'all, family in Jamaica just surprised me with a massage. A massage. Okay, y'all, so I'm in Jamaica and I just want to say thank you so much for the best massage ever. So when y'all get a massage in Jamaica and Hanover, hold it down. You gotta come with her. All her information is gonna be down below. And I just want to say thank you again.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, I'm so full. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shantae, and I'm happy that I was able to give Crystal a great service. So I'm located in Jamaica, Hanover, Cousin School, and my salon is Pampered by Sean. So anytime you want a massage or a pedicure, facial, manicure, all your beauty services, you can just stop right here. It's famously known. It's famously known for a stylist Flo here. Flo. So if it is that you're acquainted with Flo, I'm right by Flo. Yeah. So that's me.
Thank you. Alright, y'all, so we just made it to the beach. It's been a long day. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all. Ugh. It's the pool fit for today. And yeah, we just out here in the street.
I think y'all look somewhere for me sleep. Yeah, look. Yeah, Mom, go check out the money. Why you not feel like stay and go back up?
Girl, oh, my thinking never start. No, nothing. Oh, okay, so we're gonna try a rest.
Video.
And I get a video. Let me stop short.
Sorry about it. We're going to this restaurant. What is name again? Kana Bar.
In Westmoreland.
Kana.
Seaview Kana Bar name.
Oh, it's Seaview Kana Bar, and we're gonna see what they have.
Understand that. So I'm not get no video.
Hey, me, I saw no video.
This is our.
Hey.
Swiss me.
So what me up?
I'm here. Oh, I made that week.
In Westmoreland, we're gonna try the food to see what it's like and give back a little like review, I guess. We're here with our driver.
No family. No, we got family, you know. Video.
Okay. We're here with our driver Jermaine. You can check out his TV channel. You have YouTube, right?
Yeah,
It's J-Bell Entertainment TV. Yeah, and I have my debut soon on that channel, so yeah.
And walk around here. and Minister Leslie here. And Amanda. All right, beautiful, nice, perfect night.
Yeah.
They are pushing me out of this. Look, what's your favorite?
It's okay.
And I said, hi.
Yeah, yo.
Oh, yeah. Minister Leslie, I said, no.
Yeah, you need to do a video too.
You know, I'm not sure.
What do you have?
What happened?
Fried chicken.
What happened?
Brown stew.
Can't choose one different one if that's a little classy. No, some of them bigger than some. Yeah, that one bigger than mine.
Minister Leslie, I can bless you through them.
Oh, and them start eating.
Nobody in.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day, and we're still in the grill, about to head back to Montego Bay. Just got a shower, still got on everything from yesterday, but we were able to wash up and stuff this morning. So yeah, y'all, I'll see you on the way. Alright, y'all, so day in the grill. We spent the night. Now it's morning time, and this sun is hitting right. This is our undergo food for our road trip breakfast. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I'm eating breakfast. Sausage, chicken nuggets, fried eggs. Rice.
Oh. They gonna let us go back? Oh.
Hey boy, you don't see lady in the grass. That's not dirty boy.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then.
Okay, y'all, so I'm at the restaurant in the bathroom, and you see this cute bathroom? Like, what?
Like, excuse me? So I am leaving and I'm sad. Well, no, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not even extremely sad this time because I got what I needed. Family, friends, and a new home. So I walk away accomplished.